This is the electrical system of the van, and basically we have two 100 amp hour Battleborn batteries, lithium ion, and that's paired to a 2200 watt Giandol inverter. And we also have a Renogy DC to DC charge controller. So basically what that gives you is the ability to charge. Oh, we also have Power Dynamics 60 amp shore power charger. So what that gives you the ability to do is charge the batteries when you're on shore power in a campground at 60 amp hours. When you only have solar, you charge at about 10 amp hours. And when you're driving, the DC to DC converter allows you to charge at 50 amp hours. So lots of options to keep your batteries topped up, and the system works great. So we also have all the breakers in the cabinet, in the electrical cabinet. We have major breakers for the alternator connection, solar panels, and the DC AC unit from Cruise and Comfort. Then we have the 12 volt fuse box for all the different circuits in the van for fans and lights and various different things, the fridge, 12 volt fridge. And then we have the AC circuits, 4 AC circuits. This is for the hydronic, the 1500 watt hydronic heater, and for the water heater and air heater, passenger plugs, driver side plugs, and the cooktop. It's an induction cooktop. And this little guy here is the controller for the lights on the roof rack. We have driving lights in front, off-road lights for the back and sides, and also a camp light under the awning. And it's all controlled wirelessly through this relay controller. Very nice by Sonoff. We have the shunts and the bus bars for positive and negative. Here's the Victron shunt, which goes up to the Victron monitor, battery monitor. You can see all your battery stats here and track your usage, etc., and temperatures and whatnot. This is the on-off for the inverter, and this is the charge monitor for the solar panels. This is also an on-off for the solar panels. And the electrical cabinet, when the covers are on, it's all temperature controlled, and we have a fan in the cabinet that keeps everything nice and cool. It's all temperature protected, both freeze protected with the battery management system, and overheating protected. Everything will cut off if the cabinet gets to 100 degrees, which it doesn't. And then, yeah, we have plugs all over the van that have integrated USB chargers, both USB-C and USB-A. Both sides of the bed. Up here next to the sink, right below the cooktop. And then we have a plug here for your laptop when you're using this as a remote workstation. Up here we have a plug for the coffee, which is very handy. And then we have the Starlink router in here, and this is also where we have our cell booster connection set up. So you can control the cell booster from here, and you can also turn the Starlink on and off. So great telecommunications, boosted cell, and internet anywhere. High bandwidth Starlink internet, fantastic. I have a nice TV. This does smart TV, does full streaming. And with Starlink, it's a great combination. There's some nice little reading lamps in the back. When the bed is in, obviously the bed is out, but we'll show you that. It all configured for traveling here in a few minutes. So that is about it for the electrical system. We'll show you some more what's on the top of the roof, etc. But for the inside, that's about, well, except for the fans. Standard fans, both the personal fan and the whole house fan. Yeah.